At Anitech, we bring workplace health solutions directly to you with our state-of-the-art mobile audiometric testing booth. Our fully equipped mobile testing booth allows us to conduct accurate and convenient audiometric testing right at your workplace, ensuring minimal disruption to your operations. First, our audiometric tester assesses the noise levels inside the mobile booth using a noise level meter. If the sound exceeds the acceptable threshold, we ensure adjustments for a quieter testing environment. Once we confirm that the noise level is below the threshold, the tester invites the individual for the test. We explain the procedure, the do's and don'ts, and inquire about any relevant hearing-related health issues. After initial setup, the individual is seated in the soundproof booth and provided with headphones. The tester explains the simple instruction: press the button every time you hear a beep. Our tester then begins the audiometric testing process, evaluating the individual's hearing health across various frequencies through a series of tasks. At the end of the test, the individual receives a detailed report on their hearing health. Additionally, a consolidated report is provided to the employer to maintain workplace safety and compliance. Anitech ensures accurate, efficient, and reliable audiometric testing for a safer workplace. Contact